You have cheap tea at 60 rupees a kilo and dear tea at 90. You want a blend worth 70. How much of each do you buy? That is a mixture problem. 2 strengths, 1 target mean. Find the mix. SSC CGL Quant asks this constantly, and today you will leave able to name cheaper, dearer and mean, then read the ratio off the alligation cross without rearranging a weighted mean equation. A mixture mean is just a weighted average of the 2 ingredient prices. Extra cheap tea pulls the blend price down. Extra dear tea pulls it up. Alligation is the shortcut that skips rearranging that average. It reads the quantity ratio straight off how far each ingredient sits from the mean. Keep the labels honest. Cheaper C is the lower price, 60 rupees here. Dearer D is the higher, 90. Mean M is the blend you want, 70. Write everyone as price per kilo, or everyone as percent purity. Never mix kinds of measure. The weighted mean equation hides the ratio inside the algebra. The alligation cross is bookkeeping that puts C and D on the wings, M in the middle and draws the cards first, so the mix question sits on the page before any distance arithmetic. Now the distances. D minus M goes with the cheaper quantity. M minus C goes with the dearer. Each ingredient's share equals how far the other price sits from the mean. That swap is alligation. Never take D minus C in one step, and never put the larger distance with the dearer by habit. Cancel a common factor and state cheaper to dearer. Then check. Plug the ratio back into the weighted mean and confirm you recover M. If the check fails, the labels were swapped. Mix Indian rupee 60/kg and Indian rupee 90/kg tea to a Indian rupee 70/kg blend. Find cheaper, dearer. Cheaper C equals 60, dearer D equals 90. Mean M equals 70. This gives named. Cheaper C equals 60, dearer D equals 90. Mean M equals 70. This gives named. Now D minus M equals 90 minus 70. This gives 20. Now M minus C equals 70 minus 60. This gives 10. Now cheaper. Dearer equals 20:10. This gives 2:1. The result is 2:1. The trap. The larger distance belongs to the larger quantity. Here twice as much cheap tea. The exam trap is simple. The cheaper tea is farther below the mean than the dearer is above it, so you need twice as much of the cheap one. The larger distance belongs to the larger quantity, not to the dearer label. Before any arithmetic on a fresh alligation question, which labels must you name in one kind of measure? The answer is cheaper C, dearer D, and mean M lower price, higher price and target blend. Because the cross only works once those labels sit in one kind of measure. Skipping the names is how labels get swapped. Picture the mix, name C, D and M in one kind of measure, take the opposite distances, reduce cheaper to dearer, and check with the weighted mean. Comment below with one thing that still confused you. That feedback shapes the next lesson. Subscribe so the mean, between and replacement follow-ups land in your feed. Then open the ExamMaster app and drill mixtures and alligation while this is fresh.